I'm looking at the spring final, question 1B. The graph of the function p of x is represented below. On the same set of axes, sketch the function p of x plus 2. So we notice here that the plus 2 is inside of the grouping symbols. So if you think back to transformation, whenever it's inside the grouping symbols, we know that it's going to be going left and right, and it goes in the opposite direction of the sign. So this whole graph needs to shift to the left 2 units. So we just find some points on the graph that we can see. So I have one there, it looks like there's kind of one here, maybe one right about there, and we just shift them over 2 units. Over 2 units, over 2 units, over 2 units. This way we can get the general shape. Okay, and connect the points. All right, now let's say it's the day of the exam and you totally forgot what the heck you're supposed to be doing here. Not a big deal. Okay, we know that this is quadratics, and quadratics equations are x squared. So go to your calculator, and if you can remember, you can say, oh yeah, it has to be a negative x squared because it's opening down. But if you don't, it's not a big deal. We can still see the transformation. So I'm going to enter in negative x squared. Then I say, okay, so this is inside of the grouping symbols. So I'm going to do the same thing, except this time I'm going to add some grouping symbols, and I'm going to put in the quantity of x plus 2, just like it is in the problem, plus 2, and I'm going to square it. Okay, so now we have similar to what's here, we're going to put into the calculator. Then I'm going to graph it, and oh my goodness, it's such a strange window. How the heck can I see anything? Change your window size. Go to the viewing window, and remember we want the STD, the standard viewing window. So now when I graph it, oh look, there's my original graph, and the new one shifted over 1, 2 units to the left. So even if you don't know what the exact function is, the calculator can help you figure out what the correct answer is.